Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making NKWOBI. Who is excited, guys? I will go straight to the recipe and enjoy the chit chat while we prepare. So NKWOBI is made from cow leg. This is different from Ehuru. NKWOBI is made from cow leg. This here is washed cow leg and I've been boiling it. You need to cook this cow leg until it is extremely soft, like very soft. It is best enjoyed when it is soft. Okay, so in a clean pot I just added red oil. Everybody knows red oil. I'm going to try and leave the list of ingredients used in the description. And this particular one I'm adding right now is called Eketeke in my language, where I'm from. Is a local palm fruit extract, extracted a different way from red oil. Yeah, it's quite different from red oil, but it's still from palm fruit. So this is what makes NKWOBI, Ugba, Ehuru. This is what makes it bang. Imo State people can relate to what I'm saying. So I added that red oil, Eketeke, and then I added potash. This is actually me adding some more because the quantity of NKWOBI I'm making is plenty. So I added some more to give me more paste, okay, that I need. So after mixing this properly and make sure there are no lumps, I went in with stock cubes, and you have to be very careful. Just add stock cubes according to the quantity you're making and your taste bud, your preference, right? Because the one I'm making is quite big, so I added 2 cubes. Here is salt, and then this is crayfish powder. I added more crayfish powder, okay. Then I went in with my onions. Guys, you have to be very generous with the onions. If you feel like you don't like your onions chopped, you can blend it. So that's pepper for heat. Nice thing about NKWOBI is that it's very easy to make if you follow all the processes. It's very easy to make, and the common mistake people make is heating up the oil. Once you heat up the oil, you will not get this paste-like consistency that you can see now. So I've added my deboned cow leg. I took out the bone of some of them, and then I sprinkled some Ehuru. I just went in with my Ehuru right now and I mixed it properly. You can see a bit runny consistency. That's my choice. If you want yours to be thicker, just reduce the potash, but this is completely my choice because I'm still going to add more things to it, so I don't want it so thick. So here I added more pepper, more crayfish, and then I introduced my Ugba. This Ugba, some people call it Ukpaka, okay, but we call it Ugba. You see the way I'm holding this pot right now? Where I'm from, my village, my people, if you're preparing Ugba and NKWOBI, and you are not holding the pot like this while turning it, it doesn't slap. Like, you have to hold it so that the ungo will sit properly. Maybe say people can understand. Imo State people, how far? People can understand. You can relate to what I'm talking about. So hold the pot up and mix it very well so that everything will enter properly. Also, when you're cooking your cow leg, I forgot to mention, cook your cow leg to be tasty. Add all the salt or the pepper, any spice you want to add to the cow leg to make it tasty, add it. So this here, I went in with more pepper, and then I went in with the Utazi leaf. This is completely optional at this point, but I just love to have that bitter taste in between. But if you don't like it, you can skip the Utazi. But for me, this Utazi helps it to slap some more. Oh my god, you guys, the way I ate this thing after making it, being in the UK and having access to food like this is actually one thing I'm most grateful for. So here is the NKWOBI. At this point is ready. If you want to put it back on fire to heat it up a bit, that's fine. If you want to eat it the way it is right now, that's also fine. But my best preference is to put it back on fire and heat it up just a tiny bit. Look at that NKWOBI. Okay, the next thing I'll do is to plate it. I got this bamboo plate from Primark Home. I was very happy when I saw this plate in Primark Home. I'm like, the NKWOBI plate I've been looking for since. Not like I've not been seeing it, but it was actually more affordable in Primark Home. So I used it to put the whole of the NKWOBI together, And guys, I have the most tasty and yummy NKWOBI. If you're going to be trying this recipe out, can you just leave a note in the comment section telling me I'm definitely trying this, Genevieve? I must try this out. And you can also tag me on Instagram when you do at Gist with Genevieve. I would really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if it makes you happy, and also share it with anyone who is interested in making recipes like this one. Thank you so much, guys. I'm done with the plating now. Looking good, everything looking so good. And feel free to add any other thing of your choice, like garden egg for more flavor and more color. And here you go, your NKWOBI is ready. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.